TheCrazyyjs. What's up, TheCrazyyjs?
Yeah, it's Christmas and we have tamales. We have ground turkey and cheese tamales with Spanish rice and beans and cheese. So you already know, before we get into the video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And turn your post notifications for us to get notified every time TheCrazyyjs posts a video. And also follow all our social media down below in the description. Everybody get into the thumbnail. I'm gonna come right back. Alright, y'all, so we're back. Merry Christmas to everybody. How was your Christmas? It's in the basket.
This how you had it?
Kinda. What?
What? That's cottage cheese. Why get Coke? I know, I thought that was sour cream when I saw it.
I'm about to get the fucking chili.
Yeah.
Yeah, we opened our gifts. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. That we was opening up our gifts.
This mango punch, y'all.
Yeah, to be honest, it's not gonna be that much talking because it's, I just want to be honest.
Tamale good.
I don't know if I want them to be on there. Yeah, they pop fires every holiday. Sometimes not even on holiday. So that's what y'all hearing in the back. Is it up? We had watched Baddies, y'all. And it's a lot of shit happening. A lot of people arguing. A lot of people feel some type of way. So basically, Suki, she feel like Anna, and Mariah and them need to go home. Oh yeah, Smiley. And they ain't like that. And I guess I really feel like Rody, when she said Smiley and Biggie make the show, Rody got mad.
Oh, it's done?
Oh yeah, my bad.
Yeah.
She know.
Oh, she got some?
No, she know though.
Rody had got mad, and all of a sudden she wanted to fight Suki all of a sudden. But she was just, hey Suki, but now she want to fight.
What if she thought she was gonna be on the side like Sapphire is?
Want to try mine?
Huh? Hold down.
Very close.
I didn't get none yet.
I know, that's what I'm telling you.
It's on it.
Trying to side. It was spicy.
It's spicy.
No, thank you.
That's definitely not gonna like that.
I'm buying me a ring light.
How you feel about the Baddies?
Why do you easy just need to leave? And then I'll be certified. But they're not gonna kick Rolly off because I guess I don't
She an
know.
OG.
I wouldn't say she bring views, but I don't know.
Like
Like Jennifer says, she probably an OG because she an OG. That's probably wrong.
I really feel like Natalie felt bad for her. Not bad for her, but I feel like she's trying to get Rolly money up. Not saying Rolly don't have money because obviously she got money, but I feel like the show is her.
Oh, my bad.
I feel like the show is her big
More income.
yeah, her big income. So it's like they cool. And then how did y'all see the way E.T. was looking at Biggie at the table? She was giving Biggie when she was looking at Stunner Girl. But nobody said nothing about that.
They don't give y'all deja vu.
You know, I'm gonna say fuck this video.
I think I need more rice, but the rice is good. But yeah, she couldn't wait until Biggie said something and then had an argument.
Biggie was ignoring that girl though too. That's because it's nice to go with.
I'm just getting buddies on me, that's it.
What's this, like the sauce for the tamales?
Yeah, it's spicy too.
Oh, yeah, I'm about to try that.
It's still not breaking.
No, the fucking shit is glaring in my damn phone.
Put a little bit some. Or up.
What about this fucking
South Central Baddies.
Oh yeah. To be honest, hold on. Baddies, it wasn't really giving this season, but I'm ready for next season when they go to Jamaica because I really want to see Suki and Rolly fight.
Oh, come on. And then Sapphire and Mylan fighting. Rolly and Rolly and Suki fighting. Scotty and Natalie fought like 2 times. But they always do
Oh yeah, they always
views.
fighting that.
They always doing that.
I think it'd be Natalie.
Yeah, but at this I don't know. But yeah. Who else? Sapphire and Suki got in a little argument.
Oh yeah, cause I guess I don't know. We don't know what happened, but
Yeah.
I just know they got into like a little mini argument. So off of Baddies, let's talk about Young and Reckless.
Oh wait. It was like a picture going around Twitter that security hit Biggie in the face when she was fighting E.T.
I'm sure they got pics.
And then people said, I think it's the dude that Wody fuck on, that she paid the fuck on.
Mm-hmm. So y'all have niggas beat up a female now?
But they want to say that Biggie did some shit.
It's giving y'all having y'all friends and y'all niggas beat on women.
Women.
I literally just said that.
You said woman.
Mama. Like that's just crazy. But
South Central Baddies. I'm sorry. That girl Mo, whatever her name is, I'm just call her Mo. She called you Pito. I feel like you should have been run up on the bitch, like socked her.
No.
And she didn't really do nothing when she ran out and hit what's her name? Ivory.
mm-hmm.
When she hit Ivory in the face. Whoa. And then she said, put down that knife. I ain't seen no fucking knife. I might just be slow or something, but I didn't see shit.
Well, they was saying bitches was having like weapons and stuff, but I don't think she had a knife. I didn't see that.
I was looking at this girl's hands the whole time. I'm like, what knife?
Unless she had one off camera.
Yeah.
And she just kept saying that I should have fighting.
But I ain't gonna lie, Ivory was kept fucking with that girl, but bitch, if she got beef with you, she got beef with you. She won't fight you every time.
And no, she didn't do nothing. She didn't really do nothing. She ran and was hitting the couch. She didn't really do nothing to Ivory.
She did all that on top of her and didn't do nothing. No lie.
Like, you big for nothing.
That shit was funny when Lottie fell. I don't care. When she fell,
That shit was funny.
Cause it's like you really try to do your
First of all, she only did all that because Friday night and Ivy was upstairs. That bitch was not doing all that fighter or mouth talking when Lady and Chris.
I was trying to understand why she was fighting.
That's what I'm saying. She just wanted to get in it.
Just how when Liddy was fighting Friday night downstairs, she jumped in. She had grabbed her, one of her hands, and then they tried to jump Liddy, pressured, socked her ass, socked Friday night.
Well, Pressure fought Lottie. Lottie was trying to throw fucking, what do you call that shit? Glitter and Pressure face. And then Friday night tried to jump in.
I feel like that was some pussy shit. You tried to throw glitter in a bitch face for she would like won't see. Kind of like if it was pepper spray. Right, it was just giving weak bitch, and you still got beat up. She didn't really do nothing. Pressure didn't really do nothing for real, but she did enough.
If we really be honest, she couldn't really do shit.
My ass will be on fire too.
Cause that chili is hot.
Y'all was talking shit about my tamales, but they show is good.
Yeah, I like it.
And it's something new to me. I did that. But I don't care. Pressure can't fight.
She really can't fight.
To be all that mouth, all that shit she be talking up in there, she really can't fight.
The only thing that can fight is Lily.
But she never got beat up though.
Yeah, true. She never got beat up, but she can't fight. The bitches that she fighting can't fight. That's why she ain't never got beat up.
Bambi can't Short K fight. That's embarrassing.
Pressure talk so much shit.
She really do. To have all that mouth.
It was like, shut the fuck up. Like, damn, you really want camera time. She'll make sure that camera look at her. I should take my ass to sleep. If I went to sleep, I would have did better at my video.
And I feel like the hairstylist, Landon, I feel like he being too messy. Like, you not one of the cast members. This is not Bad Boys Club.
Oh God, if you wanted to be signed on Bad Boys Club,
At this point, bring a gay boy in. We can beat his ass. Let me stop.
Like, that's what, Isaiah didn't pay you for that. He paid you to do their hair.
And if y'all really want to be honest, he haven't been doing nobody here but Cash, Bree, and that tall girl. I don't know her name. That's the only hair he be doing. If y'all really notice, nobody here be done but this. He already got his pick. Who he like. And it wasn't supposed to be no pick. You supposed to be the hairstylist. And he needs to get kicked out because they need a new person because he is just messy.
But so far, he's a good hairstylist, though.
Yeah, he's a good hairstylist. He's just unprofessional.
And he shouldn't be in the camera. It's really a cameraman's fault, too, for putting him in the camera. But it's like he be sitting with the girls, so when the camera on them, he automatically in it.
Yeah.
That it? For
Young and Reckless.
oh yeah.
That shit.
I'm
That
glad.
shit was funny and
It was funny and that girl was on my nerves. Like,
Melanie, she was definitely on some like we already know she was on shrooms.
that bitch she was lying.
She was on powder too, I don't care.
Bitch, you did something.
That bitch was lit. Thank
was-
God for Ivory.
I ain't gonna lie, that bitch was throwing them shit. Boom, boom, boom.
Yeah, but
But with Ivory,
She was hanging, but she wasn't doing Ivory like she was doing them other girls.
and then her big ass said, "I'm tired." But you wasn't tired of hearing those bitches.
Shit, she should have been.
I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I don't think he got irritated when the little Chinese looking one didn't do her shit. Cause I thought she really know how to fight. Cause just by looking at her, like I judged her.
Can't judge a book by its cover.
I judged her. And she made me so mad. Like,
Well-
so she just give me pretty girl. Cause she not really that cute to me.
Well,
But she's not.
the dark skin, like I said, the dark skin girl and her, when they first came in, I been said they not fighters.
Well, they should never went there.
Like,
What did y'all come for?
they never said that, but I said that, like, they don't look
Dark
like
skin girl.
the one that look like Sky.
She broke.
You know, Mama, that's a dark skin.
No, she dark skin. The one that you said looked like a fish.
Oh.
Yeah. Her. That one I said they look like Joyce and Sky.
And then when she was on the phone with her nigga the whole time, I'm like, girl, if you don't get the fuck off that phone with that nigga and beat that bitch ass, you trying to tell your nigga to save your life. Girl, beat that whole ass.
But I
Come on.
wish you, like, how you gonna kick somebody out their room when you wasn't even there to pick out the room? Well, you wasn't there to get a room. So,
She was bullying.
yeah, I feel like she was bored.
Ivory was like, you want to be a bully? I'm the only bully in here.
Should have been a bully
Like
and a
what?
hater, let me tell you.
Like, we know I was being a bully, but it's just like this girl was constantly being a bully.
And I'm so glad that she got beat up.
They was taking a long time. Like, okay, you know, fight her.
She got what she deserved. And that just is was lit.
And then this season is, next episode be like eviction, her leaving, but she evicted herself out, and she said before she leaves she wanted to fight Ivory.
So let's see how this go next
Yeah.
next Sunday.
So if y'all people don't know what y'all talking about, what show y'all talking about and what it's on?
It's Young and Reckless. It's on TV. Y'all already know Baddies on Zeus. I'm pretty sure y'all all know about Baddies. South Central was on TV. Everything is Zeus and TV. Zeus and TV. It's not hard to find because that's the most popular shows that we talking about on the network. So if y'all go to the network, y'all gonna see it.
Popular networks.
Popular on their network.
I'm getting full. I
I thought I was the only one. And I had 3.
I got one more tamale, yeah, but I really don't even want it. I'm about to put it back because I'm full. Okay. The salsa with the tamales?
Yeah.
My mama sauce was too hot. I can't do it. No.
I don't know what was
It's not that hot.
like.
I couldn't do it.
Child.
Merry Christmas.
But yeah, I'm full.
Nothing. What's that?
But comment down below how y'all feel about the TV shows that we talking about.
No. Let me say this. It was a trader with Ivy and that girl, and I thought that was I thought she was like Latino or Chinese. I thought that was a whole black girl.
Who?
Yeah. When she fought her at the eviction shit, when she left and said she evicted herself, yeah. I thought that was a Mexican girl or a Chinese girl.
You know what would be good with this, y'all? Avocado. It was this Latino girl that I seen on Snapchat. Y'all probably know who she is. She got blue hair and she have blue contacts. I forgot her name, but she had some tamales one time, and her leftover tamales she had fried it, like pan fried it.
Oh yeah.
And I wanted to do that, so now we got tamales. I'ma save some because I don't know if it's gonna be bad.
Ain't she that girl that kind of be wearing her clothes big?
No, not her. But I'ma do that. I saved it in my Snapchat actually, so I'm gonna do it. But no, that's not her. She don't bring
You talking about the one that I said help me out from the way she make her sauce and put it in her masa?
No.
Cause it was a girl you was looking at, and she was in her garage folding her clothes. Oh, that's not her?
No. She wear blue hair, and she be having blue contacts on. But y'all seen her before, but that's none of y'all talking about. I don't know who y'all talking about, but that's not her.
You do know who I'm talking about.
I don't know who.
Cause you watch her on Snapchat all the time.
Yeah, I don't know who you're talking about. But yeah. Just want to throw a smiley at your head. Alright, y'all. So this is the end of the video. We full. Well, I know I am. I don't know about her. She big. But
big. You know what? I'm not gonna do it.
But I'm full. You already did. So make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on the post notification so y'all can get notified anytime TheCrazyyjs posts a video. And make sure you follow all our social media down below in the description. And we out. Merry Christmas.
I said I was hungry.
Say Merry Christmas.
Hungry.
Merry Christmas. Say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. TheCrazyyjs.